Hi, my name's Sean. I'm from Prep Productions, and today we're talking about our prep range of products. This is a third generation business. My granddad and grandma started the business over 59 years ago. Then my old man's come in and worked on it, and now I'm lucky enough to carry these brands into the future. So our prep range of products is quite vast, and it's all around the paint accessories market. So you have interior exterior fillers, powder form, interior exterior fillers ready to use. They're a nice paste, easy to use, no need to mix it up with water. We got our prep multi-adhesive glue. This will stick almost anything to anything, whether it's plastic on plastic, metal on plastic, styrofoam, timber, you name it, it'll stick it. Plaster of Paris, great for your crafts. Really quick, fast setting, will go off in 18 minutes. Linseed oil putty, traditional linseed oil putty formula. It's been around for 40 years. Will be around for another 140 years. Your wood filler comes in 14 different colours, whether it's mahogany, oak, ebony, pine, white, natural, maple. Mould defence is the newest product in the range. That's actually an inhibitor for your paint. So you put a little bit of, so this one's a 75 mil. You put that in a 15 litres of paint, mould won't grow on your wall anymore. So if you have any mould issues, perfect for that. Watercrete. This is underwater patching cement, sets in 15 minutes underwater. So if you have any water tanks that are leaking, you need just a quick patch that you don't want to drain the whole tank, or you want to put a tile back on and pull, perfect. Mix it up into a little ball, stick it back on, easy. So we've been around for quite a long time. We plan to be around for quite a lot longer. So if you ever need any more information on filling holes or paint preparation or sticking things together, don't be afraid to give us a chat.